G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. Today we're going to put together clue 4 of the Tree of Life Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts, the large size in the purple mist. We'll turn it around real quick. I do this as a time lapse so you get to see the whole thing come together in just a few moments, so I hope you enjoy. And like that, clue 4 is all done. We are almost halfway done with this puzzle mystery quilt, which is so fun. It's going to be, a blink of the eye, and it'll all be over. Let's take a look at the 2 completed blocks. This is going to be section 4A, and I love all the pretty colors here. This one here, and comes down all to this deep purple here. That one looks really nice. And then the second one is this one here, and it almost looks like a little house to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is that how it's going to be in the final design? Let me know in the comments as well, because sometimes when I think it's going to be something, it's something totally different. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely hit that like button. Tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you'll have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.